It is absolutely gorgeous. All the snow is melted, the sun is shining, it's gonna be nearly 50, so that has me itching to get over here in the garden. Soon we'll be digging back in here, won't we? So I have this mini little orchard. We have apples and pears, and I really need to prune these trees. I'm figuring today's a great day to do that. So about these, they spread the branches for me, but this thing is too little, so I'm just using that for now. Once the tree is bigger, I can use these. This pear tree is already pretty much growing perfectly, so I don't need to spread the branches out. And our tower that we built on the 4th of July fell over, so I gotta get that picked up too. Looks like I need some scissors or something. Let me go grab that. Okay, check. That's done.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming.
Those are my lilac bushes. They're tiny, aren't they? So the winter storm also knocked down a ton of branches in the front yard. I mean, seriously, look at the size of this thing. There's my foot. There's the log that fell out of the tree. That's crazy. Next thing I need to tackle are these Christmas decorations. Let's get those taken down. Oh, this was fun while it lasted. Time to take it down too. Ooh-wee.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me.
Everything is just a mud pit. Until next year. Well, that's all I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.